Hey everybody, just wanted to do a quick video about ticker LQR. That's LQR House Inc. So LQR is in downtrend. It is at 59.05 currently. It's been downtrending for a while. If you look back and scan back out over the past year, a year ago it was at 106. So it was pretty high up there. And if you look back on the 5 year, you can see that it's been downtrending basically since it IPO'd and IPO'd at $200 or the equivalent of 200. I don't know if it's reverse split or not. Probably a lot of these have. Anyways, getting to the daily. So LQR was a little bit pumped in the pre-market this morning after being down, starting out down, and then came down and went pretty much sideways during the trading day. The volume for LQR is really low average volume, and today it experienced almost double volume. So it's almost at a 2x for normal volume. The average volume is 44.67 thousand. And today it had 85.28 thousand. So the 52-week low is 57 cents. So it's bouncing down off the 52-week low today, making new 52-week lows, I think. And if you look here on the insider buying, there was some insider buying. That was back in December of 2023, and then November of 2023, and then August of 2023. So the end into the middle of last year had insider informative buys. So the news on this today is that, if I could find it, that LQR announced, I think this is the old one here. Let me just pull this up because there was news today. So pull it up on the news. Sorry, just take a second here. So this was 7 hours ago, Eagle Tribune, and it says right here that LQR announces a 382 year-over-year revenue growth in July of 2024. I'm reading it off the URL up here because it's taking a long time to load up for some reason. So anyway, if you look and you go in the Brave AI and you're like, what will a 382% year-over-year revenue growth do to a stock that is under $1 hypothetically? Because they'll never give you a straight answer unless you say hypothetically. So it says impact of hypothetical 382% revenue growth on undervalued stock. Says rapid appreciation, a 382% year-over-year revenue growth rate is extremely high and indicates a significant acceleration in the company's revenue generation. This could lead to a rapid increase in the stock price, potentially pushing it over the dollar mark. Increased investor attention. Such exceptional growth would likely attract the attention of investors, analysts, and financial media, driving increased demand for the stock and potentially leading to a price surge. Re-rating of the stock. The market may reevaluate the company's valuation considering its exceptional growth prospects. This could result in a higher price to earnings ratio as investors become more optimistic about the company's future performance. Short-term volatility. The stock may experience increased short-term volatility as investors react to the news and adjust their positions. This could lead to a sharp price movements, both upward and downward. Long-term potential. If the company can sustain such high growth rates, it may establish itself as a leader in the industry, creating a strong foundation for long-term success and potentially leading to a multi-bagger return for investors. Keep in mind that exceptional growth rates are often come with challenges such as increased competition, operational scaling issues, or margin compression. The company's ability to maintain its growth trajectory will be crucial in determining its long-term success and stock performance. So you could get that right off the AI and Brave AI, which I use all the time just to kind of analyze some of this news and see what it's going to do to the stock, or what at least Brave AI thinks it's going to do to the stock. Because honestly, I don't know everything and I don't pretend to. I've been trading stocks for years, but it's always a learning process. I learn something new every day. I make mistakes all the time, and I also have lots of wins. So that's why I made this channel, to share what I know, help people learn how to do some of this research that I'm doing with websites, instead of just drawing lines on charts and trying to read numbers, using some of these websites that we have available as tools, and then cross-referencing them to kind of come up with a consensus on, each individual ticker on any given day. So you can see that it's having a little bit of uptrend at the end of the day here. It's 303, so the market will be closing soon. It's looking like it's pretty close to a doji, if not dojied out. So that'll be really good. That's a good reversal signal, the doji bullish. So yesterday on the signals, it had the NR7, which I look for. It did post new downtrend, but that can change, especially with news coming out. And then this news just kind of flew under the radar. I don't think people are really paying attention much to this stock, but once it starts moving, I think it'll get a lot more attention, and then people will realize why it's moving. And I think it'll get more attention after that, as some of these, stock online gurus post it in their discords and make videos about it like I'm doing right now. So the ticker is LQR. It's LQR House Inc. Looking like doji bullish on the day. The signal doesn't come out until like 4:30 on the swing trade bot, but you have the NR7 yesterday. A lot of times you get the NR7 and then maybe the NR7 too, or you get a doji bullish the next day. So you get like consecutive days where you get these signals. And then as long as there's a volume surge, you can be pretty confident that the stock's going to at least pump, if not reverse. So there you have it. LQR, 382% revenue growth. It's listed on a lot of these websites. Sorry, this one hit a paywall, but you can see it in the top here where it's been announced. So I'm not a financial advisor. You can win and lose money in the stock markets. Do your own research and due diligence. Don't listen to some guy on the internet. And if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. That way you can get my videos when they first come out, and check out some of these stocks that may or may not be on your radar. All right, good luck out there, guys.